Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I love thrifting, hauls, flips, crafts, and more. Honey, you are getting the whole lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. And today, I am super happy to tell you I am the guest host of the Third Thursday Thrift Flip, hosted by Tammy over at the Rusted Willow and Elizabeth at Southern Gmore Gals. Thank you for the invitation, ladies. So let's jump right into this project. I'm starting off with 2 glasses, and these I actually got from the winery, and they've been up in my cupboard for some time now. And what I'm doing is I'm going to make a matching entertaining set. I have a lot of clear glass pieces in my stash, and they don't necessarily go together, but we are going to make them match. So I'm gluing these 2 wine glasses end to end, and then I'm going to use these stickers from the Dollar Tree to give them an effect. It didn't turn out as well as I had expected because the paint is light, so you really don't see the circles, but I love them anyway, and you'll see them in just a little bit. So do me a favor right now. Sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this entertaining set together. Now, I know you were probably sitting there wondering what the heck she was doing at the beginning of the video. Well, here is how we are going to make the match set. In that pail of water, I'm spraying the top with silver and gold spray paint. And then I'm using a skewer to swirl the paint around, and it's gonna give it a marbleized effect. I also use the same paint treatment in the Unconditional challenge, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to link it in my description box below. And then slowly I roll each piece across the surface of the water. And my only tip here is if you're doing multiple pieces, refresh your paint after each piece. And that's it. Super easy, but the effect is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to continue to work on these pieces, and I'll meet you back here in a little bit. I made this complete set for under $10. The paints I already had on hand. The platter, 4 glasses, a vase, and a candle holder. Now you know you could not beat that with a bat. And it is absolutely gorgeous. A beautiful, entertaining set to lay out for your guests. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in those comments. So let's move on to the next project. These little containers I got from the Dollar Tree, and I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do with them, but I left this clip in for a reason. Ace spray paint. Let me be your cautionary tale. Do you see the paint dripping all down the front? I tried and I tried, I shook it, I checked the nozzle, I checked the sprayer, I did everything I possibly could, and the paint would not come out. I'm not gonna say it's garbage, but I will say it didn't work out for me. So back I went to Ace and got the good stuff. Rust-Oleum ×2 Ultra Cover in Canyon Black Satin. I don't know why I deviated from the regular formula, trying to save a buck or two, and I had to go back to the store in the end. Anyway, I used the same dip treatment on these little jars, and then they have the little hangers at Dollar Tree as well. And these little stands I thrifted as well, and I just gave them a coat of the Rust-Oleum ×2, and they were good to go. So I hope you like this one too. Let me know which one is your favorite in those comments. Please be sure to stop by our host channels and show them some love, and let them know that Amethyst sent you. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,